The world of finance is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and at the forefront of this revolution lies the fusion of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency trading. Imagine a world where your investments work tirelessly for you, capitalizing on market opportunities day and night, regardless of whether you're asleep or enjoying a holiday. This is the promise of AI crypto trading, a cutting-edge approach that empowers investors of all levels to participate in the exciting cryptocurrency market. By leveraging the power of AI, these sophisticated trading bots can analyze vast amounts of data, identify profitable trading opportunities, and execute trades with lightning-fast speed and precision. This revolutionary technology is transforming the way we invest, offering a glimpse into a future where financial success is no longer limited by time constraints or emotional biases. AI crypto trading bots are designed to operate around the clock, tirelessly monitoring market fluctuations and executing trades at the optimal moment. They possess the ability to process and analyze massive data sets in real time, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for even the most seasoned human trader to detect. Moreover, AI trading bots are not susceptible to the emotional pitfalls that often plague human investors. Fear, greed, and other emotions can cloud judgment and lead to irrational trading decisions. In contrast, AI bots make decisions based solely on data and pre-programmed algorithms, ensuring a disciplined and objective approach to trading. This combination of speed, accuracy, and emotional detachment makes AI crypto trading bots an invaluable tool for both novice and experienced investors seeking to maximize their returns in the volatile cryptocurrency market. The allure of AI crypto trading stems from its ability to address the inherent challenges of navigating the cryptocurrency market. Traditional trading methods often fall short in this fast-paced and volatile environment, where prices can fluctuate dramatically in a matter of minutes. AI trading bots, however, are specifically designed to thrive in this dynamic landscape. One of the most significant advantages of AI crypto trading is its 24/7 availability. Unlike traditional stock markets, which operate within limited trading hours, the cryptocurrency market never sleeps. This continuous trading activity creates opportunities for profit at any time of day or night, but it also presents a challenge for human traders who cannot constantly monitor the market. AI trading bots overcome this obstacle by operating ceaselessly, ensuring that no trading opportunity is missed. Furthermore, AI trading bots excel in their ability to analyze vast amounts of data with remarkable speed and accuracy. The cryptocurrency market generates a constant stream of data from various sources, including exchanges, news feeds, and social media platforms. Processing this deluge of information and identifying relevant trends can be overwhelming for human traders. AI bots, on the other hand, are designed to handle this data overload effortlessly. Another crucial advantage of AI crypto trading is its emotionless decision-making process. Human emotions such as fear and greed can significantly impact trading decisions, often leading to impulsive actions and missed opportunities. AI trading bots eliminate this emotional bias by adhering strictly to predefined trading strategies and risk parameters. This objective approach ensures that trades are executed based solely on data-driven analysis, minimizing the risk of emotional errors. AI crypto trading bots are sophisticated software programs that leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to automate the trading process. These bots are designed to analyze market data, identify trading opportunities, and execute trades on behalf of the user, all without the need for human intervention. The functionality of an AI trading bot can be broken down into 4 key stages: data collection, market analysis, trade execution, and risk management. First, data collection. AI trading bots gather data from various sources including cryptocurrency exchanges, news websites, social media platforms, and even historical price data. This data is then used to identify patterns and trends in the market. Second, market analysis. Once the data is collected, the AI bot utilizes machine learning algorithms to analyze the information and identify potential trading opportunities. This analysis might involve identifying overbought or oversold assets, spotting arbitrage opportunities, or recognizing patterns that suggest a potential price movement. Third, trade execution. When the AI bot identifies a promising trading opportunity, it automatically executes the trade on behalf of the user. This involves placing buy or sell orders on the designated cryptocurrency exchange, adhering to the predefined trading strategy and risk parameters set by the user. Finally, risk management. AI trading bots are also equipped with risk management features to protect the user's investment. These features might include setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, diversifying the portfolio across multiple assets, or adjusting the trading strategy based on market conditions. Several popular AI trading bots have gained traction in the cryptocurrency community, each offering unique features and capabilities. Some of the leading platforms include Hummingbot, an open-source platform that allows users to create and run their own custom trading bots. 3, a cloud-based platform that offers a wide range of pre-built trading bots and advanced trading features, and CryptoHopper, another cloud-based platform that caters to both beginners and experienced traders with its user-friendly interface and customizable trading strategies. These platforms provide users with the tools and flexibility to implement various trading strategies, catering to different risk appetites and investment goals.